Hey, I will show you in 1 minute how you can now add up to 10 buttons in your WhatsApp template. Let's go. So, to do this, as usual, you activate the buttons down here in your template and then select the appropriate type of buttons. Below that, you can add more buttons and even combine different types of buttons right here. It's important to note that all quick replies you include must always be grouped together as the first or last options, and they cannot be interrupted by CTAs. In WhatsApp, then, the first two buttons are always displayed and the rest are initially collapsed. By clicking Show All, the remaining options are then displayed in the list underneath. So, as you can see, you now have much more flexibility when using buttons in your templates, and I hope you have fun experimenting with it. See you very soon.